Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am making the saddest of excuse videos. That said, there has been tremendous progress in business today, not so great progress in health today. Not my health, I'm okay. But I wanted to talk about something based on a conversation I had with my cousin and also my business partner. So giving a quick recap of some of the things that have been happening with my family. I guess uncle would be the best way to put it. They're family friends, but they're that close of family friends. My cousin's father has had a lot of health challenges as of recently, mainly regarding some infection that's happening in his leg. And because of that, he's been wheelchair bound, and it's been kind of crazy to say the least. And it was to the point that it's been an overall health challenge for him and generally the family, especially when they don't really have a lot to work with financially. That also said, the health insurance is helping, but it's also, insurance companies. Also, when we got to the hospital, when we ended up going to the hospital, Broward Health Imperial Point, and this is kind of secondhand knowledge, but I'm reiterating it to the best of my ability. They went from, and he'll be out in a couple of hours, to let's amputate his leg because he has a infection that is either going to kill him if he doesn't, or they amputate it and there's still a good chance it's going to kill him. And one of the conversations I had with my cousin was something about how my mom handled breast cancer. My mom decided when she was diagnosed with breast cancer for the second time, she beat breast cancer once and then got it a second time when it was a less than 1% chance of what she was seeing was breast cancer. She decided that she wasn't going to go through chemo treatments and everything else because she would rather live the remainder of her life to the fullest than to go through chemo treatments and basically live the remainder of her life in a miserable way, because there was no beating this time. It's in the bone, it's over, which is why I ended up bringing it up with John, because they basically put him in an ultimatum. There's really no chance of him actually making it through this, and I thought it was a conversation worth having. I don't want his dad to pass away, but I also want his dad to make the choice that's best for him. And I'm talking about this because I also received a comment recently saying that there's more to life than money. It was on a video about why being a teacher isn't worth it anymore. And you know what? It's true. There is so much more to life than that. But I'll tell you what, a lot of challenges do require money in order to solve. And I'll tell you what makes my life a lot worse: a mindset of scarcity and challenges of that nature. Either way, my goal with this entire video was just to say, I hope that you can experience life to the fullest in such a way to where you're not worried about this stuff anymore. I hope you have a very healthy and happy lifestyle, because the reality is there is more to life than money. And I hope that you truly have the opportunity to experience it, because you never know how long you are in this world for. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.